If you're not using AI yet, you're not behind. You're invisible. The digital world doesn't wait. The people who act early, they build empires. These 3 tools aren't just helping people grow, they're making average people unstoppable. Let's dive in. First, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal researcher, your writer, your coder, and idea generator all in one. Whether I'm debugging a script, outlining a blog, or brainstorming my next startup, this is the tool that saves me hours and gives me crystal clear clarity. The secret? The more specific your questions, the better your answers. It learns your style, adapts to your needs, and just keeps getting sharper. It's not just a tool, it's your thinking partner, and it works at lightning speed. Next up, Notion AI. You ever have those moments where your ideas are all over the place? Notion AI takes that chaos and turns it into organized, structured content instantly. Summarize articles, draft emails, manage your tasks, or even build out a full content calendar. The beauty is you get to focus on what actually matters, while Notion AI handles the busy work. It's like hiring a full-time assistant, except this one runs on pure caffeine and never ever asks for a break. And number 3, Pictory and InVideo. Got a script? Upload it. And boom, the video is done. These platforms generate stock footage, add transitions, drop in music, and even crank out AI voiceovers with just one click. You don't need to be a video editor anymore. You just need an idea and a message. If you're building content, a business, or a brand, this is how you scale. Here's the bottom line. These tools aren't the future. They are the now. They don't just save you time. They multiply what you're capable of. And the best part, I'll be breaking down each tool in detail in the next videos. How to use them, where to apply them, how to master them. So hit that subscribe button because this isn't just a series, it's your AI-powered upgrade. And tomorrow, we go deeper. How to learn 3 times faster using AI. You're not ready for that one, but you will be.